Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is to carry the day. To carry the day, which means to gain victory or be successful. इसको हम उर्दू में फाते होना, मैदान मारना, यानी किसी का कोई बहुत ही अच्छा दिन गुजरा हो, कोई खेल में कामयाबी हासिल हुई हो या किसी भी चीज़ में कोई कामयाबी हासिल हुई हो तो वहाँ पे ये हम इडियम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like they had a bad start but the home team managed to carry the day in the end. यानी उनका स्टार्ट अच्छा नहीं हुआ था मगर घर की टीम ने आखिर में ये मैदान मार लिया. Here is another sentence or situation. Despite a strong opposition, the ruling party carried the day. So once again we have used here carry the day. So this is how we are going to use this idiomatic expression into the sentences or situations to carry the day.